Hey teachers, I just wanted to wish you a happy first day of the new school year. I hope it gets off to a great start. I'll be substituting again this year for my local school district, so I look forward to being in the classroom for you all, helping you out. And big shoes to fill, but I'm looking forward to doing it. So again, I just hope you guys have a great start and have to the school year, and a great year ahead. And students, you as well. It's going to be fun to learn. Anyway, have a good day, everyone. Okay, babe, where are we? What is it, Summer Lake?
We're at the lodge at Summer Lake. And this isn't actually Summer Lake.
No.
This is a different lake. It's on the other side of the road, but
this is our view.
Yeah.
It was a great ride, I thought. You know, boy, isolated areas.
Summer Lake, Oregon. I don't know, population 200, I don't know. It's very small.
It really is.
Yeah.
We're just always amazed at what people do or, out here for a living and everything. This was really the only place to stay, right?
Yeah, there wasn't any place to stay at Silver Lake. This is the only place to stay here at Summer Lake.
But they have a restaurant here, and it's really kind of nice, to tell you the truth.
And the restaurant's only open 2 hours a day.
Yeah, 2 hours a day. But here we are.
When there's nowhere to hide, you push my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you, hopelessly devoted to you.
It's a happy baby. Did you just get off?
Just a reminder, I'm in a t-shirt and jeans today. I absolutely love sharing my outfit videos with you. I have great style. I love sharing that part of me. I love thrifting and seeing what I can find and put together. But 5 days out of the week, I'm in t-shirt and jeans are even a big deal. Usually it's leggings. I go for comfort, and usually those outfit videos, I'm going somewhere, whether it be to a wedding or a concert. I just didn't want you to compare and feel like I'm dressing super cute every single day, because that's just not true. But I just want you to know that you still look good in your t-shirt and jeans, girl.